welcome back to my channel where we focus on apartment tours on Tuesdays and Thursdays and something that I like on Saturdays. Today's video is just gonna be a super short one. The reason it's gonna be short is because I did a really bad job at filming on this one, so I'm sorry. Don't be mad, okay? Okay, so we toured the Centric LoHi by Windsor apartments. They are in LoHi, obviously. I did get a couple of shots of like where this place is located, so let's go take a look at that really quick and the maps and see exactly where this place is at. Okay, so this is the happy camper here that you guys can see. It's all like covered and like inside of a tent. And then you have a little park over here where you can like take your dog or play basketball, workout. Then you have the beer garden over there. And then you have Avanti right here. So let's cut through this. So I just wanted to show you guys what happens when I click on like the information icon on maps. As you can see here, it looks like some type of issue happened with the elevator and the fire department had to come. And then here is that smashed out window. I don't know if I mentioned that yet. Definitely look up the reviews for this place because they have a 3-star review. However, there's only 2 on Yelp. I would definitely look at other places as well. Getting into where this apartment is, like I said, it is in LoHi. And here is the happy camper. And then Avanti is right over here across the street. And then you have this little park over here. Beer garden is like right here. And then you have the bindery here and Centric LoHi here. So there's so many places over here that are really popular. My neighbor Felix is super popular. And then if you hop on to 20th Street and just drive straight across, for literally 2 minutes, there's a dog park over here, there's a skate park over here, and then there's a King Soopers. There are so many amazing restaurants over here. You guys have heard me mention it before. The Pig and the Sprout, bomb. Their bacon Brussels sprouts are so good. And their brisket bennies, so bomb. I can't. Look at all these other restaurants that you have nearby. I mean, it's kind of overwhelming. Okay, so now that you guys know where it's at, I mean, it's in a really, really good location. I'm gonna tell you guys right away, I recommend going to look at the reviews for this place. It looks really nice and stuff like that, but when I typed it in on Google to find the address, like so many reviews came up. The first thing I saw was a picture with somebody's back window busted in. So go look at the reviews for this place. Determine for yourself if you really want to live here. Sorry about my nail, I broke it. You know what, actually, let's go take a look at the amenities really quick. There's only a couple of things where she took me to like look. That's obviously what I shot for you guys. Like I said, super quick video. Here are the amenities. Okay, so now that you guys have seen the amenities, let's actually go and tour the apartment and then we'll do the fees after. So right when you walk in, you do have a little coat closet, and also in addition to the coat closet, you have a full-size washer and dryer. I'm so sorry that I didn't get good shots here. It is something that I'm really working on. And then you do have like space on both sides as well. You have a really big bathroom. It is honestly too big. Not too big, but it is really big. You do have a lot of room in your bathroom. So I do like the bathroom a lot. I did only get a couple of shots. You do have that stand-in shower, and then the backsplash on this wall. I know you guys only saw it for a sec, but it goes all the way up to the top, to the ceiling. So kudos to Centric LoHi for getting that job done right. Another little closet within the bathroom that is for your towels, just a tiny one. You have a decently sized bedroom. You could definitely fit a queen size bed bed in here. That means you can also fit a full. Probably could fit a king as well, but I think I would stick with a queen or a full just to be on the safe side. Plus, you don't have a big closet in here, so there isn't another area for you to put your dresser or have like extra storage. If you need it, you just have your room pretty much. Like I said with the closet, it is really small. I mean, I'm looking at it now, or well, not small, it's standard size. So the living room, you do have a decent amount of size. You definitely have enough room to put like maybe a sectional, depending on where you put your TV stand and couch and all of that. You definitely have room to put maybe a sectional or a small couch like I have, if you can see it. You could choose to not get a dining room and then make that area a little bit bigger. That is also always an option to do. That's what I have now. Like, I don't have a dining room table and I'm not gonna get one. The kitchen is really pretty. They have really cool lights in this kitchen and the windows are pretty big. Like the whole like back wall in this kitchen is windows and then there's a door, but it's your balcony. It is really nice to have that amount of windows. That means during the day, it's gonna be pretty well lit in this apartment. I also will say that I like the dual tone cabinetry. I like the light color on top with the dark color on the bottom. I think it adds to the apartment. I think it makes it a little bit more fun, not so static. It still has a really nice clean look to it. And then the countertops are just that white color. I believe she said they are quartz countertops. I did get a shot of the balcony, but I ended up deciding not to show you guys that because she didn't turn the light on. I forgot to think about asking to turn the light on, but you do get a really big balcony in this unit at least. But yeah, I mean, that's everything as far as the apartment tour goes. Let's get into the fees really quick. Also, here is a floor plan of the exact unit and the cost. That was for that day. Application fee is $16 per applicant. Administrative fee is $400 per applicant. Security deposit is $0. See below. I don't see anything below. Oh, low accept applicant pays an additional $25 per month plus an additional deposit equal to 1/2 month's rent. Oh my God. Conditional $35 plus 1 full month's of rent, and then refer except provided the applicant pays an additional deposit equal to 1 month's rent and a qualified cosigner. Studios non-refundable holding fee $125, 1 bedrooms $150, 2 bedrooms $175. Non-refundable pet fee $500 for 1 pet, $650 for 2 pet. Monthly pet rent is $50 and $75 for 2. Renter's insurance is required, $100,000 minimum personal liability. Those are the fees, and that's pretty much everything there is to know about this apartment. Again, I really do apologize that this video is trash. Please don't dislike it. I'm sorry, and I don't want to go back and be like, can I tour it again? I didn't get good videos. That's on me. But if you did enjoy, even if you didn't enjoy, please click that button down below, subscribe, become a member of my squad. It means the world to me. And also like this video so that I know you guys like apartment tours. Go check out some of my other ones because they're so much better than this. I will see you guys on Thursday's video. Bye.